In the automotive industry, each car body has an average of 4,000 weld spots, and a single plant can exceed 3 million welds per day. Even with automation, inspection is still manual, slow, sampling-based, and subjective. The result? Only 1% of welds are checked, and to compensate, plants use intense parameters, consuming more energy and electrodes. This creates risks. Failures detected too late can compromise entire car bodies, affect subsequent production stages, and even lead to recalls. Developed for automakers and tier suppliers, spot fusion is a seamlessly integrable technology that has been optimizing factories worldwide. Car body metadata and the electrical signatures of each weld feed AI models that verify joint integrity just like traditional tests, but digitally, automatically, and in real time. Spot fusion goes beyond alarms. It certifies quality and ensures that only compliant products move forward in production. With spot fusion, every weld is inspected, no exceptions. Spot fusion optimizes parameters and reduces rework, minimizing expulsions and cutting energy and electrode consumption by up to 30%, while increasing productivity by up to 10%, all with online real-time results, local or remote. Spot fusion is defining a new era of quality and efficiency in spot welding. Join Struckmatic and be part of this transformation.